Good day. I'm Robin Halik and I'm here to discuss the Sunshine Fashion, fraud, theft, and misbehavior among employees. Case study. Introduction. Sunshine had been founded in 1993, starting out as an OEM export manufacturer of cashmere sweaters and eventually growing into an integrated manufacturer and retailer. Sunshine Fashion activities included material sourcing, spinning, dyeing, design, distribution, marketing, and retailing. In order to manage its retail operations, it had set up both regional and branch offices to handle stock and to support and monitor its retail points. The branch offices and retail points had been reporting information about stock and sales to the head office manually until 1988 when Sunshine implemented an RFID ERP system. The system networked the branch offices and the head office and allowed the head office to receive updates on sales at all the retail points every 4 hours. Sunshine's RFID ERP system also stored information about inventory at the branch offices and retail counters, but the information had to be entered manually by staff. The problem? In 2008, Sunshine faced serious fraud and misbehavior problems among its employees, with losses estimated between 9.3 million and 10.5 million RMB, equivalent to more than 5% of Sunshine's total domestic sales. Fraudulent behavior was also facilitated by the fact that Sunshine had no mechanism in place to control stock at the local level. Sunshine's ERP system could not update stock information automatically. It stored stock information, but that information had to be entered and updated manually. This meant that staff could enter the stock information only after promotion started, giving them a window in which to sell the sweaters at the original price and pocket the difference. Loss arising from such misbehavior was estimated to cost Sunshine 3 million RMB. Statement of the objective. The current ERP system of Sunshine Fashion is taken manually and not automatically updated. That's why the employee can fraud, theft, and stealing the sales of the company. In order to attain a functional and adaptability of the system, the company must create a new system that monitors who log in on the said system, monitoring day-to-day operations to reduce costs, increase revenues, maximize profitability. ERP solution to the company. Off-the-shelf proprietary software SAP is recommended to Sunshine Fashion Company. The SAP ERP application supports this essential function of the business processes and operations efficiently and is tailored to specific needs to the industry. For many organizations, the SAP ERP operation solution is a software backbone that contributes to achieve operational excellence in key business areas, including procurement and logistic execution, product development and manufacturing, and sales and service. In order to avoid fraud, misbehavior, and theft of the employees, SAP ERP Operation has a solution that uses a balanced scorecard framework with a predefined workforce. Scorecards that can be integrated into department and individual management by objective or MBO. This is documents to align employee goals with corporative strategy. SAP ERP Human Capital Management is a comprehensive integrated human resources management solution that delivers unmatched global capability. SAP ERP HCM gives organizations like Sunshine Fashion and of all sizes, industries, and regions the tools needed to manage the most important asset, the people. The solution provides the framework to help executives, human resource professionals, and line of business leaders to align objectives to corporate strategy through comprehensive analytics, engage employees and identify, retain, and develop key talent through a robust talent management offering built on a core HCM foundation. Increase efficiency while reducing costs through automation of transactional processes, as well as shared services, maintaining a single record of the truth compliant with local and global requirements. Thank you.